At Approved Home Pros, we looked far and wide to find a quality window cleaning company that could live up to our high standards. Thankfully, we found Blue Ocean Window Cleaning, and today I have Paul Pate. And Paul, we spent years trying to find a company in your category and had a hard time. Why did we have such a hard time? Explain to the audience that.
I think the primary thing is it's so easy to get into the window cleaning business. For 50 bucks, you can go to a big box store, buy a squeegee, a washer, and then start knocking on doors and say, I do window cleaning. But those companies are suspect, I guess you could say. But to become a professional company, to have the insurance that is a wise thing to have the proper equipment, the proper training, security checks on employees that are going to be going into the homeowners' bedrooms, things along this line, it's a whole nother level of responsibility.
Absolutely. We saw a lot of those companies that were just one-man bucket bobs, is kind of the term that we've used, referred to them as. And that's a big difference from the professional, true company. Yes. And it is because the cost of entry is so low. Now, if you're going to do windows, there's two choices, really. There's hiring a company or doing it yourself. Doing it yourself, what are some of the issues that somebody might face in that?
Well, a person can do it themselves. They can go to the big box store as well, but my experience is that people, when they get done doing the work, they're unhappy with it. They spend a lot of time. I get a lot of homeowners, wives in particular, that say, I don't want my husband on the roof. I don't want my husband out there in the alley with that ladder with those electrical wires overhead, things along this line.
Safety issues.
It's exactly safety issues. So the quality of the work that's typically done by the homeowner, the safety issues, they frequently want to hand that off to us.
The last thing I want to cover is some people view window cleaning as a luxury versus a necessity, and I think it's a necessity. Quickly, tell us why.
Well, from a maintenance standpoint, salts and water on window frames and glass, believe it or not, will corrode. So it's, in some respects, it's something that needs to be addressed. It's from the aesthetic standpoint. If you like clean windows and like the feeling of a home with clean windows, in some respects, it is a luxury item.
Well, you know, I think it's a necessity. It's only a luxury, I think, if you're the kind of person that can live with a dirty car and a dirty home. I think it's a necessity. That's why I'm getting my windows cleaned by Blue Ocean, and I recommend you do the same thing. You can find Blue Ocean along with our other great pros at ApprovedHomePros.com. Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.